So I decided this spooky season project is going to be book from Hocus Pocus. The first thing I had to do was go find a book. I found this one at my local thrift shop, and this was the biggest I could find, so I'll make it work. The first thing I want to do is rough up the pages. I do this by using some scissors, and this is just personal preference. I want to age the paper a little bit. I'm doing this by painting on leftover coffee and a few coffee grounds, and then I'll let it dry overnight. And now that it's dry, I'm going to dry brush a little bit of black across the edges and the rest of the book. It's just a detail I can see, but it's my book and I want it there. Now mix equal parts Mod Podge and water, and get violent with some paper towels. Okay, not really, just Mod Podge those paper towels all over the entire book. And then let that dry. Now I was kind of surprised I couldn't find snakes and eyeballs, considering it's October, so I just 3D printed the rest of the details for this book. That way I could draw out where I needed to put my stitching. And for the stitching, I'm just going to draw it out with hot glue. And once I had drawn that out, I just went over the entire thing in little stitches. I wasn't looking for absolute perfection. But one thing I almost forgot was the eyeball. I ended up finding this little bitty plastic lid. I don't know where it's from, but it fit perfectly, and all I had to do was heat it up with my heat gun and turn it into an oval shape. Then I painted the inside of it white with some red squiggles, then drew the rest of it on with Sharpie. Now we can't let him go without eyelids, so I'm using the same water and Mod Podge mixture and giving him some paper towel eyelids. Now all that's left is to get the details put on and painting the book.